Coming to Advent's been great. When I started here, I would have episodes of having allergy attacks. And usually after an allergy attack, you basically are blowing your nose 1,000 times in a day, and then the next day you just are dragging. It felt very, very personable to talk to Miss Fontaine. I felt genuinely that she was invested in my care. The surgery I had was performed by Dr. Handler. Dr. Handler is a very, very nice gentleman. Everything he did in surgery, he explained what was going on, but during recovery, by the time you're walking out the door, you feel pretty much fine, and you're back on your feet very, very, very quickly. And that was also something that was appealing to me when I checked into Advent. In the follow-up visits after my surgery, Ms. Fontaine was, again, very, very interested in how I was doing. I did not feel like this was, let's get 100 people in a day and let's get them out of here. She wanted to take the time to make sure that I was on the right program to basically living a better, healthier, breathing life. As far as how am I doing today, today it's spectacular. I have had no setbacks or anything that would even resemble having an allergy attack. I think it's the first time probably in 20 years that I've had that amount of happiness during the summer.